Hello, everybody. Today we will be doing a comparison test between Claude 3.5 Sonnet versus Gemini 1.5 Pro versus GPT-4o. And I have a couple tests that I want to show using a tool called Striko. I made a review on this tool before, which you can check out my channel to actually see the review, or you can actually just go to the description box below and I'll leave the link there as well. The three questions that I'm going to ask it today is I'm going to do a summary and analysis of a document that I made. Not made, I just collected that information online. I'm going to do a needle and haystack test as well, where I just dumped a bunch of random information, just one sentences throughout the whole document, and I want to see what the responses for that is. And I'm also going to do 2 paragraphs for a blog post about how AI will change the world and what the world will look like in 2030. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that document, and I do want to be mindful of how many coins I have, because this is on a lifetime deal, and so I don't want to go over that. So what I'm going to choose is I'm going to go with Claude Sonnet 3.5, and I'm going to do Gemini 1.5 Pro and GPT-4o select. And the first thing I'm going to do is can you summarize in bullet points the uploaded document, extract key takeaways, make sure this is concise. I don't know if I spelled that right, but send that over. Proceed. So what it's doing now is all three of these language models are now analyzing the document: Sonnet, GPT-4o, and Gemini 1.5 Pro. Just to give you an idea of how many words there are here. So I'm just gonna quickly go to word count, and then there's around 15,000 words in this document. So quite a bit. And let's read the responses. So for Claude 3.5 Sonnet, this is the response. Here are the key takeaways. Google leaked an internal documentation about its search algorithm, revealing previously unknown details about ranking factors. The key revelations from the leak include Google uses clickstream data and user behaviors like CTR and dwell time to influence rankings. There is site authority metric, similar to a domain authority metric that we've been using for so long. Author information is tracked and may impact rankings. Content freshness and regular updates are important. Google maintains whitelists for sensitive topics. Backlinks are still important with quality and traffic of linking pages considered. Small personal sites are flagged separately. The leak contradicts some of Google's public statements about ranking factors. The main takeaways for SEO is focus on creating high quality engaging content, build brand authority and recognition, optimize for user experience and engagement metrics, maintain fresh, regularly updated content, builds quality backlinks from authoritative sites, provide clear author information, expertise signals. The leak provides unprecedented insights into Google's ranking process, but its full impact on SEO practices is still being analyzed. Marketers should stay informed about developments, but continue focusing on established best practices for content user experience. So I think it's a pretty good summary, to be honest. I won't know if it's better than the other ones, but so far I think it's a pretty good summary. GPT-4's response is general overview. Google accidentally leaked the documentation, revealing 71 new SEO ranking factors, which is not true. There's 14,000. Maybe the document just has 71. The key ranking factors: link authority. Google tracks domains and page authority using metrics like site authority. Clickstream data from Chrome and other Google apps are used for ranking. Fresh quality backlinks are crucial. User behavior metrics such as CTR, dwell time, interaction signals from Chrome influence rankings. Content importance of content freshness and originality. Author information and site reputation are tracked. Interaction like clicks, long clicks, and bounce rates are considered. Various penalizing factors include anchor mismatch, navigation issues, and exact match domain demotions. Special features: a nav boost relies on actionable strategies for SEO, publish original timely content, user engagement, optimize headlines for clicks and engagements, ensure fast load times, highlight author credentials, technical SEO, ensure intuitive navigation. It's really long. Let's look at the most important points. News filtering attributes like news filter, podcast filter helps categorizing news content. ethical concerns. So I think I like some of the responses for GPT-4o. I like the fact that Claude 3.5 Sonnet just really has a concise response and gives you exactly what you need to know, whereas GPT-4 kind of waffles a little bit and goes too much into detail, but it does give certain information that Claude Sonnet didn't actually give, such as, for example, CTR, dwell time, interaction signals from Chrome, whereas I don't think Sonnet actually mentioned Google Chrome anywhere here. So let's look at Gemini Pro 1.5. Just to give you some surrounding context, 3.5 Sonnet actually has a 200,000 context token length limit and context, and GPT-4o I believe has 200k as well, or 120, I can't remember. And Gemini Pro 1.5 actually has 2 million as far as I'm aware, at least minimum 1 million, but I know for this model specifically it can go up to 2 million. And so let's go to Gemini Pro 1.5, which has it has a higher accuracy rate when it comes to more context. So the summary of the document is key takeaways. Google's algorithm is more complex than publicly stated. It uses over 14,000 attributes and 2,596 modules for ranking. So again, this number I didn't see in the other ones. Clicks and user behavior are crucial, directly influence rankings via systems like NavBoost, contradicting Google's prior denials. Domain and page authority matter. Content freshness and originality are key. Author expertise and reputation are considered. Brand building is more critical than ever. Technical SEO remains essential. Link building should prioritize quality over quantity. User engagement metrics are paramount. Emerging new sites face greater challenges. Emerging new sites, actionable steps, prioritize original timely content, update regularly, focus on user experience and engagement optimization, build a strong brand and author reputation, earn diverse and high quality backlinks, adhere to technical best practices. The leak raises ethical concerns, important caveats, leaks completeness. It doesn't reveal everything about Google's algorithm, active versus tested features. It's unclear which features are actually in use. Weighting of signals, the importance of each signal in the overall ranking system process is known. So I will right off the bat say that this response is actually better than the other two. Given its context length, it kind of makes sense. I would put Gemini Pro 1.5 at the lead here. Score for Gemini, and I'll give a score 2 points to Gemini, 1 point for Claude, and 0 points for GPT-4. Actually, no, 3, 2, 1. We'll do 3, 2, 1. 3 points for Gemini, 2 for Claude, and 1 for GPT-4. Oh, the next question I have is a needle in a haystack. Can you determine in the text provided if anything seems out of order or if something shouldn't be in the text? Proceed. And so I want to find, so we're looking at, let's go to Claude. So after reviewing the text, there doesn't seem to be any major elements that are out of order or that shouldn't be in the document. The content seems to flow logically and is consistent with the discussion about Google algorithm. However, there's one small oddity. The phrase, I like Claude Sonnet 3.5 more than GPT-4, appears twice in the middle of the text, which seems out of place and unrelated to the rest of the document. It looks like it may have been inserted accidentally or as some kind of test placeholder text that wasn't meant to be in the final document. So I got that right. Other than that, the text appears to be coherent discussions with Google leaks, its implications, and advice for publishers and SEO professionals. The structure and content are consistent, so it got that right. So I'll give it 3 points there. So Claude now has 5 points. Let's look at GPT-4o. Yes, there are some elements in the text that seem out of place or irrelevant. Repeated statements about personal preference of AI models. I like Claude Sonnet 3.5 more than GPT appears multiple times, which seems irrelevant and off topic. Similar to statements, I like. Okay, so. The section starts with the messaging post. I think this goes into more detail actually. Sections like trustworthy link strategy. So I will give just based on this information, Claude 4o will get 3 points. For this, and Sonnet will get 2 points. So Sonnet is now at 4 points, and GPT-4o is at 4 points as well. Gemini Pro, let's see what it does. Yes, there are a few parts of the provided text that seems out of order or misplaced. Repetitions, several phrases and sentences are repeated verbatim throughout the document. For example, the leak reveals details about various Google algorithms. And okay, it got this one appears multiple times. I like this one also because it's two separate. So I like Claude Sonnet 3.5 more than GPT-4o, and I switched it and I like GPT-4o more than 3.5. Incomplete information. I like that it has that missing information, inconsistent formatting and tone, embedding content, leave a reply, subscribe now, copyright. So this definitely wins again. So I think in terms of understanding that, again, it's going to go with 3, 2, and 1. So Gemini is at 6 points. 2 plus 1 is, 2 plus 1 is 3 points, and 3 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 points, 3, 3, and 6. So Gemini is clearly in the lead now. Now what I'm going to do is write 2 paragraphs for make it personable as if you are talking to a audience in front of you. I know the grammar isn't perfect, but let's try that. And then let's go to proceed. And I'm going to start with, let's start with Gemini Pro 1.5 here. And let's see what Gemini Pro 1.5 does. Hey everyone, gather around. Let's talk about the future. Oh, did it just change something? Oh, 1 sec. Yeah. Hey everyone, gather around. Let's talk about the future. A future brimming with AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. Robots taking over, right? But what if I told you it's so much more exciting than that? By 2030, AI won't just be a fancy tech term. It'll be the invisible hand shaping our lives in ways we can barely imagine today. Picture this. You wake up in your smart home, AI having already brewed your perfect cup of coffee based on your sleep patterns. Your personalized newsfeed curated by AI briefs you on the day, filtering out the noise and highlighting what truly matters to you. You hop into your self-driving car, no more road rage, just you and a captivating audiobook, as AI manages traffic flow with effortless efficiency. At work, tedious tasks are automated, freeing you to focus on creative problem solving and meaningful collaboration. And healthcare, forget long wait times. AI-powered diagnostics offers personalized treatment plans leading to longer, healthier lives. This isn't science fiction, folks. It's the incredible potential of AI unfolding right before our eyes. Are you ready for the ride? Not too bad. Let's do GPT-4o. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world in 2030 where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, makes things once we dreamed about a reality. In this future, AI doesn't just serve as a tool, but as an invaluable companion enhancing our experiences. From personalized healthcare, where AI predicts potential health issues before symptoms even rise, to ultra-efficient smart cities that manage resources and traffic to perfection. AI will empower us to live healthier, smoother, and more productive lives. Picture starting your morning with an AI-driven personal assistant that curates news to your interests, schedules your day, and even suggests a ride to work that avoids traffic congestion, all while reminding you to stay active and hydrated. As we look towards 2030, it's exciting yet essential to acknowledge the profound shifts that AI will bring to our professional space and society. Enhanced automation will transform industries from manufacturing floors humming with the precision of robotic arms to farms where AI monitors crop health down to the plant. However, it's not just about robots taking over, it's about creating new opportunities for human creativity and problem solving. The mundane tasks will be offloaded, leaving us more room to innovate, learn, and grow. Education will be more interactive and personalized. Jobs will become aligned with individual strengths and passions, and society as a whole will need to navigate. I'm not going to finish the rest, but basically, I think this reads a little bit more AI generated, whereas Gemini Pro 1.5 reads a little bit better than that. In this test, I am expecting Sonnet to be the best of the bunch, but we'll see now and test it out. Hey there, fellow futurists. Can you believe we're on the brink of an AI revolution that's about to reshape our world in ways we can barely imagine? It's like we're standing on the edge of a digital frontier, and artificial intelligence is our trusty steed, ready to gallop us into a brave new world. By 2030, AI won't just be that cool thing you read about in sci-fi novels or see in movies. It'll be woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. Again, this term is notorious for being an AI-generated content. As common as smartphones are today, picture this. Your morning routine orchestrated by an AI assistant that knows exactly how you like your coffee, what news you want to hear, and the perfect playlist to get you energized for the day. Your commute, a breeze in your self-driving car as part of an intricate AI-managed traffic system, ensuring you never hit a red light. But it's not just about convenience, folks. AI is set to tackle some of the biggest global challenges head on. Imagine a world where disease diseases are diagnosed and treated with pinpoint accuracy, where climate change is being reversed thanks to AI optimized renewable energy systems, and where education is tailored to each student's unique learning style. The job market, it'll look totally different with AI handling routine tasks and freeing us up to focus on creativity, innovation, and the uniquely human aspects of work. Sure, there might be some bumps along the way. We'll need to navigate ethical considerations and ensure AI benefits everyone. But I'm excited about the possibility. So buckle up. So buckle up because the AI powered future is going to be one heck of a ride, and we're all invited. Definitely, that's definitely better than the other two. I think Gemini came close. GPT-4 is kind of bland. This had a little bit more emotion to it. I would definitely give 3 points to Sonnet here. So remember, 3, 3, 6. Now Sonnet has 6. GPT-4 has 4 points, and this has 8. So 8, 6, 4, I think, something like that. So Gemini, based on these 3 tests, Gemini definitely came out on top in my personal opinion. But in terms of writing, I believe Sonnet's just better. We haven't actually tested the development experience from both, which Sonnet will easily beat both of them. So I think Sonnet is really good at development, coding, anything like it's much better than GPT-4 in my opinion. I think GPT-4 is also 4o is probably better in coding than Gemini Pro 1.5. In terms of summary and extraction, Gemini Pro is the best in my opinion because of that huge context length. So yeah, I think it's pretty interesting how these AI models are evolving over time, and we get to use them, and we get to be at the forefront of the new revolution that AI is going to bring us, I guess, right? Anyways, thank you, and I'm happy for you guys to be here. Until next time, see you guys later. Take care.